what was that tool from last time? Here it is. This is a Schrader valve removal tool. What it's for is on car tires and bicycle tires, inner tubes, and this is like a garden cart tire. There is this. It's a Schrader valve. There's the valve stem, and inside that there is a valve. Let's zoom in on that. And this screwdriver-y looking thing removes, that's the cap, the valve from the valve stem. This is a Schrader valve. I've also seen these used under in the engine compartment of your car on the fuel rail, and you press it in and it opens. These can go bad, so you may need a tool like this to remove it. You see it grabs this part of it right here, and you screw it in or screw it out. When I was a kid, I had one of these go bad, and I didn't even know this thing existed. I didn't know how it worked. But I went to a gas station with a flat tire on my bicycle, and the guy, he took some spit like this, and he put it over the end of the valve stem, and it started to bubble. And that's when I knew, there's a leak there. So you might have one of these that fails, and so you'll need this tool. The other reason you might need this is because sometimes you want to pump a lot of air into your tire very quickly, usually when you're trying to set the bead on the rim. You've just put the tire on and you want to make this seal. So you dump a whole lot of air very quickly into here. And if the actual valve is not in there, you can pump air much quicker in here. Also, you might want to pour some sealant like slime into there. So in these cases, you would use this awesome tool. Pretty inexpensive. These are very inexpensive, and I think they even sell them at Walmart and places like that, box stores. Usually, though, you get them out of an old inner tube. You find one laying around that's good, and you use that. So that's what that tool is. I'll put it back in. Here it is. I'm working on another batch of 20 rocket stoves. Here's some time lapse. Here's the tool for next time. Those of you who know what this is are going to say, oh man, everybody knows what that is. But maybe everybody doesn't know. Anyway, this is the tool for next time. What is it? How does it work? Thanks for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.